Some people dirty their air fryers 3 times a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Your air fryer should be cleaned after every use because there are plenty of places for food bits and grease to hang out and get gross. If you neglect to clean it correctly, your air fryer can start to smell, or worse yet, smoke. Here are the 5 things to do to get it clean. 1. Don't wait. Once you let crispy bits and oil sit in the basket, it can become a nightmare to get out. After using it, unplug the air fryer, let it cool, then wipe out any oil from the drawer. If you've used a sticky sauce or marinade, clean the drawer and basket while they're still warm. The mess will be easier to get out. 2. Use warm soapy water and a soft sponge or cloth. For stuck-on food, soak the basket in hot water and dish detergent to loosen it. Then clean. 3. Use a wooden skewer for baskets with lots of nooks and crannies and any grooves that collect grease. Clean the basket and drawer with soapy water and dry. 4. Now for the inside, where the spattering happens. With the basket out, degunk it using a damp cloth dipped in warm soapy water. Check the heat element for grease or debris and wipe it clean. 5. Wipe the exterior with a damp cloth or sponge, then dry it. If your air fryer has an odor even after cleaning, try soaking the basket for up to an hour. If that doesn't work, rub a half lemon over the basket and drawer, let it sit for 30 minutes, then rewash. To protect non-stick surfaces, never use abrasives like metal utensils or steel wool to clean your air fryer. For more information and a full list of our air fryer ratings, check out cr.org/airfryers.